Introducing the RK ROYAL KLUDGE S98 mechanical keyboard, an innovative device designed for those who demand performance, style, and convenience on the go. This keyboard is not just about typing, it's engineered to offer an experience that's both immersive and interactive, making it an ideal companion for gamers, programmers, and creative professionals alike. At first glance, the standout feature is its smart display and customizable UI. The small screen effortlessly displays big features, ranging from a custom GIF image, the current date, connection mode, whether Bluetooth 2.4G or USB-C wired, to battery status. Even the Win-Mac layout is reflected seamlessly on the screen. The clarity and versatility provided by this digital interface add a futuristic charm to your setup. Another remarkable aspect is the integrated knob. With a simple twist or a click, users can adjust various settings including volume, backlit brightness, RGB mode, color, and even change connection modes. This thoughtful design means that adjusting settings is both tactile and effortless, enhancing interaction and convenience during extended usage sessions. Connectivity options are extensive with BT50, 2.4G, and USB-C support, ensuring a stable wireless connection with minimal latency. Whether you are engaging in fast-paced gaming or intense work sessions, this keyboard's wireless performance stands out by offering hassle-free pairing and consistent responsiveness. Gaming enthusiasts will appreciate the top-mount design, which provides superior tactile consistency and a firm, satisfying keystroke. The design is not only ergonomic, but when paired with sound-absorbing foams, including an IXPE switch dampener pad, 2 layers of thicker noise-absorbing foam, and a silicone dampener pad, it significantly reduces noise. This results in a unique creamy or thocky sound rather than the hollow, echoing noise typical of mechanical keyboards, creating a more pleasant auditory experience. For those who enjoy customization, the hot-swappable design allows users to replace 3-pin or 5-pin switches without soldering. This means that you can experiment with different tactile responses and sounds to truly make the keyboard your own. Coupled with double-shot PBT keycaps, which provide durability and a premium feel, the RK S98 stands out in a saturated market where similar products often require more commitment to modifications. While the RK S98 offers a myriad of attractive features, there are a few drawbacks. The inclusion of so many advanced features might lead to a steeper learning curve for beginners, and the premium price might not suit all budgets. However, with a little time invested in exploring its functionality, users can unlock a productivity tool that is both creative and efficient. Overall, the RK ROYAL KLUDGE S98 is a versatile, high-performance mechanical keyboard. It is best suited for users who value customizability, connectivity, and an engaging multisensory experience. Whether you're a professional, gamer, or a tech enthusiast, this keyboard is a compelling addition to your workspace.